What is happening, everybody? I'm in Boise, Idaho, and I'm here to explore everything there is to see and eat here in the City of Trees. So let's do stuff!
I'm Tara. That's Lucas. We're on a quest for new adventures and great food. Come along with us as we explore our incredible world.
In southwestern Idaho, at the intersection of the great outdoors and urban living, Boise is a tree-lined city with amazing views of snow-capped mountains and 180 miles of public trails. It's home to some of the wildest spaces in the lower 48, making for plenty of recreation options. Full of quirky, artistic charm, a healthy culinary scene, and plenty of culture, Boise is the state capital and the most populous metro area in the state. Our first stop is the Boise River Greenbelt. This 25-mile tree-lined path follows the Boise River through the heart of the city. 850 acres of parks are located along the Greenbelt, called the Ribbon of Jewels. Watching and other wildlife observation are popular around dawn and dusk, and fishing is available in several stocked lakes along the path. Most of the trail is paved, but is used for walking and biking only. No motorized vehicles are allowed, and it's smoke-free as well. Alright, so we were on our walk along the Greenbelt here along the river, and we came across Green Acres Food Truck Park, and so I decided to grab a little bite at Crisp, which is one of the food trucks. And I got the halloumi poutine, and I guess halloumi is a type of cheese from Cyprus. Fascinating, I've never had it before. It's got pulled pork and red wine gravy on the fries. The gravy is delectable. Pulled pork is nice and soft, tender, and the cheese is chewy. Kind of reminds me of paneer. It's an Indian cheese. It's really good. I like it. Boise is the state capital of Idaho. Construction on the Capitol building began in 1905, and the main section of the building was finished in 1912, with the wings being added in 1920. The Capitol dome tops out at 208 feet. The building was designed by architects John E. Tortolot and Charles Hummel. Tortolot and Hummel used 4 types of marble: red marble from Georgia, gray marble from Alaska, green marble from Vermont, and black marble from Italy. When looking upward to the dome, 13 large stars and 43 smaller stars can be seen. The 13 large stars represent the 13 original colonies, and the 43 smaller stars indicate that Idaho was the 43rd state to enter the Union. There are 219 pillars in the original building, and each pillar is made up of marble dust, plaster, and scagliola. Scagliola is a mixture of granite, marble dust, gypsum, and glue dyed to look like marble. This artificial marble was crafted by a family of artisans in Italy. The third floor contains the Senate in the West Wing and the House of Representatives in the East Wing. The Capitol's most unique feature is a gilded equestrian statue of George Washington, carved by Charles Osner in 1869 from white pine, the state tree of Idaho. Osner worked by candlelight and took 4 years to finish the work. Now we head about a block west to one of Boise's most unique stops. Beginning with a single drawing in 2002, the outdoor mural gallery known as Freak Alley now dominates half a city block with graffiti, paintings, and murals. Freak Alley runs between 8th and 9th Street with access on Bannock Street. The gallery exists as a 501c3 independent of the city and survives on donations and volunteers. Drinks, we're headed back over to the Greenbelt to a spot near Ann Morrison Park. Opened in 2017, Lost Grove Brewing is committed not only to making great beer and delicious handmade pizza, but also to the environment, community, and ethical workplace practices. They became carbon neutral in 2022, and they partner with nonprofits to raise awareness and fundraise. In addition to my flight of beers that I enjoyed very much, Mom got a Caesar salad, and Dad and I split the Mushroom Kingdom pizza. I definitely look forward to swinging by Lost Grove again next time I'm in Boise. This afternoon, we're headed about 5 minutes southeast of downtown to check out some plants. Alright y'all, this afternoon we're going to take a stroll through the Idaho Botanical Garden. Mom's been here before, this is my first time. Let's go check it out. Until 1973, this site served as the old Idaho State Penitentiary's farm and nursery. The land lay dormant until 1984 when it was converted into the Idaho Botanical Garden. Covering 42 acres, the gardens are separated into 14 different themed garden spaces, ranging from veggies to native plants to a charming English garden. Nature walks and guided tours are available, and the garden hosts events, concerts, and art as well.
Oh, that was a great tour. I loved it. I saw so much more this time than I did when I toured it with Dad.
Yeah, I would say a very wide range of different types of plants. It's very large, much larger than I thought it'd be. And the koi pond is awesome, and
Oh, yeah.
a lot more to see and do than I thought it'd be. And what was it, $12 for an adult? So it's not too bad.
9 for a senior.
There you go. So yeah, we really enjoyed it. For dinner, we're off to the western edge of downtown to a Basque restaurant known for wine and tapas, charcuterie, which means pub crawl in the Basque language. Unfortunately, I learned while editing this video that this location has permanently closed, but they are looking for a new one. We split the charcuterie board with serrano ham, chorizo, and liverwurst, 2 cheeses, jam, assorted pickles, bread, and other accoutrements. Everything was fantastic, and I do hope that they find a new location and reopen soon. It was a wonderful dinner with 2 of my favorite people, and sadly, the last meal I would share with my dad before he passed away 3 months later. For our last stop on this Boise trip, we're here at Goody's Soda Fountain for some ice cream. It being October, I went ahead and got pumpkin. We make all the ice cream in-house. It tastes like pumpkin pie.
Cool.
You know, pumpkin spice. It's delicious. Mm-hmm. Also for fun, I went ahead and got Butterfinger.
Mm. Nobody's gonna lay a finger on your Butterfinger.
And that's pretty awesome as well. A fitting end to a nice trip. Thank you so much for coming along on this adventure to Boise, Idaho. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't already, we'd really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. It's a free and easy way to help us keep making videos. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.
You always have to have movement in everything, in art and in life.